Welcome to The Explainer. You ever wonder how your phone finishes your sentences for you, or how a streaming service just knows the perfect movie to recommend? Well, that's artificial intelligence, and it's not just in your pocket anymore, it is fundamentally reshaping our world in ways you probably don't even realize. So today, we're going to break down exactly how. And let's start with this thought from a leading expert, Fei-Fei Li. It really hits the nail on the head. Because this isn't about some distant sci-fi future where robots take over. No, the human impact is happening right now, in our hospitals, on our farms, and in the way we find our very next job.
And when I say right now, I really mean it. This isn't science fiction, not at all. Over 70% of private companies in the US are already using AI or are planning to. Just think about a company like Amazon. AI is in everything they do, from managing their supply chain to figuring out exactly what you want to buy next. It's already here. A huge part of how our economy works.
To really get a sense of the scale here, think about this. Some of the smartest people in this field are calling AI the new electricity. It's a technology so fundamental, it's going to power pretty much everything else. So, are we living through the next industrial revolution? All the signs are pointing to yes, absolutely.
So how is this whole story going to play out? Well, today we're going to explore this AI revolution from every angle. We'll look at what it can do right now, how it's changing our jobs and our world, the really big risks we can't afford to ignore, and maybe most importantly, we'll see that the future is something we all have the power to choose.
Okay, so where do we even begin? To get past all the hype, we really need to look at what AI is actually doing today. And honestly, you might be surprised by just how diverse and impactful it already is.
Let's take healthcare. AI is already a seriously powerful partner in the medical field. I mean, imagine a surgeon performing a super delicate operation, but with the steady, precise hand of a robot making them even better. Or a doctor using an AI tool that spots cancer at its absolute earliest, most treatable stage. And for our elderly family members, there are socially assistive robots providing companionship and helping to keep them sharp. It is a total game changer.
And it's not just happening in hospitals. Out in the field, in agriculture, AI is helping farmers grow more food with fewer resources. By using data to make smarter calls on things like water, fertilizer, and pests. They can boost their crop yields and build a more sustainable food system for all of us.
But maybe the most profound impact of AI is its ability to just break down barriers. It's creating these incredible new assistive technologies that are truly changing lives. I mean, picture a world where someone who's deaf can have a totally seamless conversation because of real-time translation into sign language, or where a visually impaired person can navigate their city with total confidence using an AI-powered guide. That's not just cool tech, right? That is life-changing empowerment.
So, we've seen how AI is changing individual lives. But what happens when we zoom out and look at the bigger picture? Because these applications, they're just the start of a massive shift in how we work, how we live, and how we tackle the world's biggest problems.
Now, when it comes to our jobs, it's not just about what can be automated. This chart from Stanford is fascinating. It shows that what we want to automate is just as important. Think about your own job for a second. You'd probably love to get rid of tedious stuff like scheduling meetings, right? Well, that's the green light zone on this chart. But what about the really creative parts, like brainstorming new ideas? That's where things get interesting in the R&D opportunity zone, where AI could actually become a powerful creative partner.
And that brings us to a really crucial distinction. This isn't just about job automation, where AI replaces human tasks. It's more and more about job augmentation, where AI becomes a tool that actually enhances our own abilities. Think about a graphic designer who uses an AI tool to spit out dozens of design options in seconds. The AI does the grunt work, freeing up the designer to focus on what they do best, creative strategy and problem solving. It's all about empowering us, not replacing us.
Looking even bigger, the potential for social good here is just immense. Researchers have pinpointed over 600 different ways that AI can help us achieve the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. That's 600 potential solutions for some of the biggest challenges we face as a planet, from ending poverty to fighting climate change.
This means AI can be an incredibly powerful force for good, tackling these huge global challenges head-on. Imagine being able to predict a hurricane with pinpoint accuracy, saving countless lives, or designing a new vaccine in record time to stop a pandemic in its tracks. The scale of this potential is truly global, and it's right there, within our grasp.
But, like with any powerful technology, there is another side to this coin. We have to be really clear-eyed about the very real risks that come along with AI. It's not all promise. There is also peril, and we have to face it head-on.
So what are those dangers we need to manage? Well, experts are telling us that the biggest risks aren't just technical glitches. They're actually things that are deeply tangled up with our society and our values, and they have the potential to do real harm if we're not super careful.
And these challenges are serious. What happens when millions of people lose their jobs to automation? What happens when our privacy is violated on a massive scale? Or when AI is used to create totally convincing deepfakes to spread misinformation? And what about autonomous weapons, or the huge amount of energy it takes to train these things? These are the tough questions we absolutely have to be asking right now.
And this stuff is not just hypothetical. In a survey of AI experts, the top 3 worries were fairness, malicious use, and data privacy. Imagine an AI system for hiring that unfairly screens out perfectly qualified people, or a social media site flooded with AI-generated propaganda designed to sway an election. These are the frontline challenges we have to solve if we want to use AI for good.
So, where does that leave us? Well, the good news is the future of AI isn't set in stone. It's not some inevitable tidal wave that we're powerless against. It is a story that we are writing right now, with every line of code, every policy we create, and every single choice we make.
The path forward really requires us to be intentional. We have to build strong ethical guardrails to make sure AI is transparent and aligned with our values. We have to invest in people, giving them the skills they need to thrive in this new world. We need clear, responsible standards that hold developers accountable. And most importantly, we have to put people at the absolute center of everything we do, designing systems that empower us.
And this really brings us to the most important takeaway of all. The most powerful part of the entire AI equation, well, it isn't the technology, it's us. The future of AI is not a question of what it can do, but of what we as a global community choose to do with it. Will we use it to create a more just, fair, and sustainable world, or will we let it amplify our worst instincts? The choice is ours, so I'll just leave you with this question. What kind of future will you choose to build?